The owner of this website gets nothing less than 16.4 million visits every single month doing nothing. This person does not have to write a blog. This person does not have to create content at all. This website is just a website that he just set up and uploaded to the internet, and he gets this amount of visits. And guess what? If this person runs ads on his website, he's going to be making at least $1,000 every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 every single day by copying what this guy is doing. Now, this guy is really smart, and this person makes money even while he sleeps, and this is by far one of the laziest methods to make $100 a day. And if you're interested in making $100 a day without writing a blog, without doing affiliate marketing, without trading, without posting YouTube content, without stressing yourself much, then with little capital, you can actually jump on this trend and start making money. And the good thing about this method is that not a lot of people know about it, and not a lot of people are implementing this. So you stand a better chance of making money if you jump on it and take action after watching this video, guys. So I'm going to show you more things about this website. So if you check on Google, you are going to notice that Google pays about $0.2 per 1,000 views. Now, 1,000 views is known as a mile or a milli. Okay, look at it here. How much does AdSense pay per 1,000 views? So if YouTube pays, or if Google pays $0.2 for 1,000 views, and this our friend here gets 16.4 million views every month, let's do the math to find out how much this person makes on a daily basis. Then I'm going to show you how you can copy this person and do the same exact thing and get the same exact result. So I'm going to open up my calculator real quick, and I'm going to type 16,400,000. So this is 16.4 million, and for every 1,000 views, Google pays $0.2. Okay, so I'm going to divide this by 1,000 to know how many miles this person gets a month. So I'm going to divide it by 1,000. So this person gets over 16,400 miles every month. And for every mile, YouTube or Google pays $0.2. So I'm going to multiply this by 0.2 USD. And you're going to see that this person is making about $3,280 every month. And that is if this person does not even make more than that. Remember, this is the lowest amount possible. This is the lowest amount possible. It can go as high as 2.5 per mile and even up to $4 per mile. In my YouTube channel, some of my videos do up to $6 per 1,000 views. So you understand what I mean. But to be on the safe side, I've decided to use the smallest calculations to show you how you can make $100 every single day. Okay, so if I go back to my calculator, what you're going to notice is that this is how much this person makes every single month. So if I divide this by 30 days, you're going to see that this person makes $109 a day. Okay, judging from, or if you use that $0.2 to do the calculation, this person makes $109 every single day. And this is crazy. This person doesn't have to write any article. This person doesn't have to share anything to anybody. This person doesn't have to post any video. This person basically just set this. And imagine if you have up to 2 or 3 of this kind of websites running, you know how much you're going to be making every single day. So all you need to do this is to watch this video and learn exactly the steps to take to actually implement this just like this person. So this is how you make $100 every single day, guys. This kind of website is super easy to set up, and it is something that brings traffic organically, and I'm going to show you why. If I go to the location, you're going to see that this person gets most of his traffic from top tier countries, as you can see right here. And this person gets a bunch of traffic from younger generation, as you can see, from 18 years down to about 34 years old are really interested in this. And these people are the active ones, right? And as you can see, most of the people that are coming to his website are usually people that are active on Instagram and on TikTok and on Twitter. So I'm going to show you where he gets most of his traffic from. So if I scroll down to the bottom right here, you're going to see that this person gets most of his traffic from social media. Just give me a second. Let me look for that. And that is crazy. So as you can see, this person doesn't have any paid search. As you can see, 0% of his traffic comes from paid searches, meaning that you don't have to spend money to run ads if you set up this business. This business is going to do just fine with social media, and a lot of people are going to come back to your site directly. As you can see, the second highest source of his traffic is from direct traffic, from referrals, from Google organic search, and from social media. Now, that tells you that you can actually start this business and not bother about running ads or spending money on ads. So if you're interested in this kind of business, let's go and check what this website looks like. So the website I'm talking about is this website called Not Gonna Lie, NGL. NGL stands for Not Gonna Lie, as you can see right here. So Not Gonna Lie is a website or a platform where people can air their opinions freely because they get to be anonymous. So if you've ever gotten this message from your friend asking you to actually air your opinion or give them an anonymous feedback, then trust me, you've used this app. I know some of you watching this video must have used this app at one point or the other, and you didn't know that you're making this person, the owner of the app, rich. So you're watching this video is going to show you how you can set up your own app, share it to people, and you start making money from your own app as well. So basically, if I go to, let me just look for a random username. So if I go to something like /Sammy and I hit enter, you're going to see what the interface looks like. So this is their home page actually. So I'm going to show you what the interface looks like. So this is what the interface looks like. So basically, this person, Sammy, now is asking me, or has shared the link to me on his WhatsApp status, asking me to send him or her an anonymous message. Now, if you click on this button here, it's going to generate random messages for you to send to the person. As you can see, it's going to send random messages to the person. Now, the next thing you notice about this is that at the bottom here, it shows get your own messages. So this is a call to action, asking them that if you like the fact that this person gets, because what happens is that when they get their anonymous replies, it is usually raw and it is usually unbiased, because the main person sending the message has nothing to lose. So they end up saying the truth and airing their honest opinions, right? So this is a good way for celebrities, influencers to actually get to know what people really think about them, right? So this app at the bottom has a call to action that is going to ask you to get your own message. And if you click on this button that says get your own message, it's going to take you to where you can download the app and start generating your own message. As you can see, they have the App Store, and they also have it for Android as well, but this is the App Store. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. They post it on their status, send me a message, they leave the link, and when their friends click on it, they get to see what people had to say about them, right? So this is very, very cool. Okay, so now how can you replicate this? Okay, how can you replicate this? How can you do this so you can start making at least $100 every single day? To do this, you just have to follow 3 simple steps. So I'm going to go to my Google Jamboard now, and I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps. So the first step is to buy a script. This script is an investment that has the potential to make you a lot of money. So it's not free, okay? And I'm not even the one selling it. But you can get it by visiting investorblack.com/anony1. This is one of the scripts. And the second one is investorblack.com/mystical. This is another variant of the script. You can choose any of them. They are both fine in my own opinion. So I'm going to copy this and show you what it looks like. So let me just go to the website. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like on the page. So if I head over to this page right here, you're going to see the Anonify or Anofi Pro Anonymous Feedback System Remastered. Okay, this is what the page you're going to land when you click on investorblack.com/anony1. When you click on that, you're going to come here, and if you come here, you can see that this app is going for about $79, but you can get it for way cheaper, and I'm going to show you how to do that later on. But let me give you a quick tour on how the inside of the app looks. So as you can see, this is the registration page. It has where you put in your details. It also has where you can actually log in using your social media handles. If I go to the next slide, you can see this is what the profile page looks like, and this thing you're seeing here is what the anonymous theming, like the background design for the anonymous message, is going to look like. If you go further, you're going to see more settings about your account details and your dashboard. This is the back end actually. So if I go further, you can see this is the installation page. As you can see, it's very straightforward. All you have to do is follow it step by step, and you will be able to install it. They have a good documentation on how to go about it. So what I'm interested in showing you actually is the fact that you can actually run ads on this. So this is the back end. As an admin, you can actually see how many users you have, how many messages have been sent using your platform, how many questions and how many comments. So if I go to the next page, you're going to see the option to disable account. Now I'm looking for the ads, so you understand what I mean by you can actually make a lot of money with this. Okay, so this is the back end. As an admin, you can put your site logo, put your site name, put your site title, just customize your site and stuff like that. If you look at this place here, this is called AdSense, and this is where you have to put in your code that Google will give you, and when you put that code on this website and people keep using this website and you're getting views, you're getting impression, for every 1,000 views you make at least $0.2 for every 1,000 impressions, meaning that they don't have to click it, they don't have to even watch it much. Once they've seen it, you've made money. That's how awesome this is. So let's go back. So basically you have the opportunity to actually make a lot of money by including AdSense in yours. So what is the next step after you must have paid for this? The next thing you want to do after paying for this is to publish your viral ad. Now, publishing it has to do with you making it popular, because whether you like it or not, if you just buy this app, set it up, put it out there, nobody knows you, nobody knows your platform, and nobody's going to find it or guess the name and start using it. You have to put that little effort into making it public, putting it out there and making it known, right? So the best method to doing this is through influencers. Influencers are people that have large following on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and the rest. So you just look for people that are into the entertainment niche, like comedians, skit makers, and just pay them to actually ask their audience to give them an anonymous feedback. Okay, once they ask their audience to do this, that is all it's going to take. You don't have to run any ad after this, okay? Because this is like a viral script. Once one person uses it, the next person uses it. It's just like a game. The current is passed from one person to another. So at the end of the day, you can start with just one influencer and his people, and before you know, all those people are now sharing it to their friends, and their friends are sharing it to their friends, and their friends are sharing it to their friends, which leads us to this last step, which is to sit back and relax. So as you can see, this is the illustration of what I mean. So this is you paying the influencer. So once you go, you pay this influencer, and this guy is going to tell all his audience to give him an anonymous feedback, and he's going to post it on his story, and a lot of people are going to see it, both his fans and the rest. And because of these people look up to this influencer, they are going to do the same. They're going to use the same link, because remember, once you use the app, you're going to be asked to also create your own messages at the bottom here, as you can see. So when they click on that link, they'll be able to send theirs, and their own friends will see it, and that's how the people that are using your app will keep multiplying and multiplying, and you don't have to write articles, you don't have to make videos and stuff like that. So that's how easy it is to make $100, and this is one of the laziest method to making $100 every single day, guys. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, do well to subscribe to my channel. I need subscribers. Also, don't subscribe if you're not interested in investment ideas like this, if you're not interested in making money online. If you're satisfied with where you are already, then no need to subscribe. But if you're interested in ideas like this, then trust me, there's more where this came from, and I'm going to be dropping them as time goes on. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. Bye.